Most natural language SQL demos look impressive, but they break immediately in production. The AI generates wrong table names, it hallucinates columns, it may even generate unsafe queries. In this video, I will explain the correct architecture for building reliable text-to-SQL systems using Spring AI. The simplest architecture looks like this. Send the user question to the LLM, get SQL, execute it on the database. This works for demos, but this is not production safe. Why? Because the LLM does not automatically know your database schema, and it cannot be trusted blindly. To generate correct SQL, we must provide schema context. The LLM needs to know what tables exist, what columns exist, how tables are related. Without schema, it guesses. With schema context, it generates correct queries reliably. This is the first architectural rule of text-to-SQL systems. Second rule, never execute LLM output directly. You must always validate the SQL. This includes ensuring only select statements, verifying if tables exist, and verifying if columns exist. Without validation, your system is unsafe. This is where most demos fail. A proper architecture looks like this. The question goes to Spring AI. SQL is generated using schema context. The SQL is validated. Only then is it executed on the database. And finally, the results are converted into insights or visualizations. This transforms a simple demo into a production-ready AI backend system. In my implementation, this is exactly how the system works. The SQL is generated using schema context and validated before execution. This ensures reliability and safety. If you want to learn how to build text-to-SQL system step by step, I have a dedicated course where we focus entirely on SQL generation using Spring AI. And in my AI Analytics Engine course, we use this architecture to build a complete analytics system with validation, insights, and charts. You can find links to both courses in the description. Building AI-powered systems is not about just calling an LLM. It's about designing the correct architecture around it. If you are serious about building production-ready AI systems with Spring AI, understanding these principles is essential. Thanks for watching.